Teacher Abby is back again to give you more fun and exciting learning for our English class. Let's put our hands together like this and let's greet everyone good morning. 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Now, review time, everybody. Yesterday, we learned another phrase to read and to practice reading, right? As well as answering the following simple question. Now, let's review first the phrase that we had learned yesterday. We have, everybody, can you help Teacher Abby to read? Jen fed her pets. Everybody, can we read it again? Jen fed her pets. Now, the question, who fed the pets? Who fed the pets? It's Jen. Jen fed her pets. Good job, everybody. Now, today, let's learn another phrase. Now, are you ready to read it? Now, everybody, take a look. Open your eyes widely. The red pen is on the bed. Again, everybody. The red pen is on the bed. Red, red, pen, bed. Now, everybody help Teacher Abby to read again. The red pen is on the bed. Now the question, where is the red pen? Where is the red pen? Where is the red pen? The red pen is on the bed, right? So where is the red pen? On the bed. Good job, everybody. Now, who can help Teacher Abby to recall those nature-made resources that we tackled yesterday? Who can help? Again, what is nature-made resources? It exists in nature, right? So we have river. What else? Ocean. We have mountain. Sun. What else, everybody? Clouds. Stone. Of course, the air. Water. Petroleum. Animals. Tree. And we have sun. These are only some examples of nature-made resources. For this week, our topic is all about beautiful world by our hands. The other day, we tackled already the man-made resources, right? Now for today, Teacher Abby will going to have an activity. This activity will let us know if you understand the lesson that we discussed this week. Are you excited about that? Now, okay, Teacher Abby will gonna show you pictures of man-made and nature-made. You're going to help me to identify if this picture is man-made or nature-made. Are you ready? Now, everybody, roll your hands. Roll, 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 and say, oh, yes. Now, let's start. Remember, man-made are the resources which human made, right? The human made. And the nature-made resources exist in nature. Okay? Now, let's start. Car. Car. Is it man-made or nature-made? Man-made. Very good. Car is man-made. Next. Clouds. Man-made or nature-made? Next. House. Man-made or nature-made? How about the animals? Man-made or nature-made? The sun. Mountain. Is it man-made or nature-made? Buildings. Man-made or nature-made? How about the ocean? What do you think of the ocean? Is it man-made or nature-made? Bridge. And river. Is it man-made or nature-made? So for this week, you learned man-made and nature-made. Right? Good job, everybody. That's all for today. Since today is Friday, Teacher Abby will be seeing you back again on Monday. For now, let's wave our hands. Wave, 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 and say bye. See you again on Monday. Bye.